Hi, I'm Nazia Surti, co-founder and president of Beauty First, a businesswoman, a wife, and a mother of 3 boys. I've always been into skincare. As a kid, I loved trying and testing new products, and at home, skin remedies. I also loved sharing with my family and friends. I started in 2012. We opened a small kiosk which I decorated myself. I bought some stuff from art and craft store, and around that time I got pregnant with my first son. It was more than a small business for me, which gave me a sense of belonging in this new country. It gave me more confidence, even more when I saw people leaving with a smile, and that was everything. I had a passion to educate fellow women on things like how to take care of their skin and choose the right products. I also wanted to help other women who were looking for opportunities to launch their career in Canada. My kiosk got so popular and got very busy, and so we decided to move into a bigger space. I took a leap of faith and opened my first store in Burlington in 2012, and now we have 6 locations in GTA. I have an awesome set of women working for Beauty First Spa. We are like a one big happy family. They all come from different backgrounds, and I absolutely love the diversity. We have ongoing trainings and workshops on regular basis. We want to be the best at what we do. I never compromise on quality. I seriously believe I would not do a procedure or use a product I wouldn't be using on myself. My husband has been my rock since beginning. If it wasn't for his support, encouragement, and belief in me, I wouldn't be able to achieve all that. If there is one thing you want to take away from me, that would be work hard to make your dream a reality. Hard work always pays off.